Safety belt, done?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching it. Today, this vlog, I'm going to show you that things that I do in the weekend with my fam, riding the bicycles to along the beaches, bringing my cat, first time riding in a bicycle, and then first time to the beach. So far so good, not too bad. And fetching my son today in style with S2K. And sorry in advance that this video will be in two recording mode. One is in phone, and then one in DSLR that I just got, because I'm still learning how to use this and still practicing. Yep. So hope you enjoy this video. Honda S2000. Still have a travel. Safety belt. Bye. Close the door. You gotta look back at your car. Like this stuff. When I get to my car, someone just have to park next to the car in all the space here. Why? What do you get? What's that? How's your class? Normal?
I use CapCut to edit my videos.
You use what?
No, I can't.
You see our car over there? Hurry up.
next day.
We're riding to collect some Honda goodies again. What do you want to say? Go to Column. What you say, sir? Mommy and Coco. Behind us, right? We have arrived.
No.
We have collected this.
No.
Right all the way to Coulomb. Turn at the back. It's an old F1 Honda Lucky Strike shirt. Are you ready?
Oh my god.
Are you ready? Say hi to YouTube. Please like and subscribe. Say.